Hello, when making a Marvel superhero cake, how do you get that perfect curve on a fondant Captain America shield so it isn't just a flat piece of fondant? It's actually a pretty easy trick, but it'll definitely look like you have a superpower. We'll start by just cutting out each of the layers of the shield. This is the Captain America shield cutter set from my shop, which I'll link in the description. It's a really nice set because each piece is sized and proportioned correctly, so it's accurately looking like Captain America's shield. You could definitely use any circle cutter set and a star cutter or hand cut them out as well. But the set is nice to have because it takes out any guesswork or trial and error with sizing. You can find my easy fondant recipes on my website and on my channel here. Then we'll just layer and attach each of the pieces together using a little bit of water, starting with red, then white, then red, then the blue piece, and then finally the star on top. Here's what it should look like before our super trick. Now start with a bowl and then set a ball on top. Cover the top of it with cornstarch very well. You don't want any sticking. This is just a kid's playground ball in the bowl so it doesn't roll away on you. And then put your shield on top. Carefully pat around all sides to make sure it's flush with the ball, just like this. We are going to let this dry and harden at least overnight. Then very carefully slide and pull it off of your ball. Then you can see that perfect Captain America shield curvature. And yes, you're not seeing things. I did switch out the ball. I noticed the purple ball that I used initially had a hole in it and was deflating quickly after I recorded this. So in a panic, I quickly switched it to another one of my kids' balls and just wasn't able to record that. I attached it to my cake with some water and a little bit of buttercream behind it. I think this shield would also look really cool shoved into the side of a cake or like into the side of a frosted cupcake to look like he just threw his shield and that's where it got stuck. And then here's what it looked like just on this cake, by the way. Let me know if you're interested in any other concepts on this cake. This is a really fun one to make. My daughter just chose all of her favorite characters and concepts from Marvel for this birthday cake. Thank you so much for watching, and I could do this all day.